everybody! It's Ariannitalagringa, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to see how people celebrate Christmas in the United States. But we first start celebrating by decorating our homes. Let's get started! So what's the first thing people do to get in the Christmas spirit? Well, they start decorating their homes for Christmas. So first, we're going to head on over to Home Goods, where they sell a lot of Christmas decorations. I'm sure we'll find a bunch. Let's check it out. Now let's check out some iconic Christmas decorations that'll make your house feel fun and festive. What is this? This is a wreath. Wreath. Now, can you tell me what this is called? If you said this is a sock, you're wrong. This is a stocking. Stocking. We hang stockings on the mantle of the fireplace, and we hope that Santa will fill our stockings with lots of presents. Can you tell me what these are? These are snowmen. Snowmen, but they all come in different shapes and forms. This is hand soap. Hand soap. This is a pillow for your couch, and this is a jug. This is a snowman. He has a carrot for his nose, he has coal for his eyes, a scarf, and a top hat. And as you can see, in the store, they have different kinds of snowmen. Look at this one. You can make cookie dough with this snowman. Can you tell me what this is called? This is gift wrap. Gift wrap. It's a decorative roll of paper that is used to wrap presents or gifts. Look! It has a nutcracker, a snowman, a Christmas tree, and a reindeer. Can you tell me who this is? This is the gingerbread man. It has 3 buttons and a bow. Another thing you can find in the store is a classic Christmas flavor. It's called peppermint. This is peppermint. You can eat it, or you can sprinkle it on top of your cup of coffee or just a drink. Can you tell me what this is? This is a bow. Bow. Can you tell me what these are called behind me? These are bags, but specifically gift bags. But all of these are only decorated just for Christmas. For example, this bag has a gingerbread man on it. This one has snowflakes, and you can put a little present inside, and it'll look nice underneath your tree. What is this? This is a roll of ribbon. Ribbon. You can tie it and make bows. You can put ribbon in between your branches of your Christmas tree and use it as a garland, or after wrapping up your Christmas gifts, you can just wrap the ribbon around the present and tie a bow on top. And what is this? Inside this box, you can make a gingerbread house. So there's little gingerbread cookies inside, and you can decorate the house with frosting, candies, and then you can eat it. Have you ever built a gingerbread house? Let me know down below. Can you tell me what this is called? This is a sweater, but not only that, it's an ugly Christmas sweater. In the United States, it's very common to go to an ugly sweater Christmas party. So you'll have to find the ugliest sweater inside a store, and you'll wear it to a party. After walking all throughout the store, there's one Christmas decoration that's missing, the most iconic one, a Christmas tree. So let's go to a different store and pick up a Christmas tree. A Christmas tree is a very important part of Christmas celebrations, and it's the main decoration in a house. You can choose between 2 different Christmas trees, a real tree, like the ones behind me, or an artificial tree. Let's take a look at some of these real Christmas trees and see the difference between a real tree and an artificial tree. Let's go! A real Christmas tree like this one grew outside in nature. It has real branches. This is a branch. It has real leaves or needles that are green and smell really nice. This one is the tallest one, and this tree is the shortest one. This small Christmas tree is $29.98 and the biggest one is $149.98. Over here, these are all real Christmas trees. They all come from nature. Also, did you know that real Christmas trees drink water? So they will soak up all that water and then you will have to refill it every 5 or 6 days. Also, real Christmas trees can only be used once, so you can't reuse them every year. These trees, they smell really nice. All of these trees are covered in real snow because it snowed this morning. Woo! So this is not fake snow. Talking about fake snow and fake things, in this store they also sell artificial trees. Let's go check it out. Behind me, all of these are fake trees or artificial Christmas trees. The first thing that kind of surprised me is the price of these trees. This tree, the largest one, is $3.99. It's a lot more expensive than a real tree. The biggest Christmas tree, the real one that was outside, was $149. The good thing about fake or artificial Christmas trees is they can be reused every single year. They don't smell at all, and you can store them in your closet or downstairs in the basement. Let me know down below in the comments if you guys like fake or artificial trees or real trees. I personally like real trees because I don't have enough space to store this huge tree in my apartment. So I'm going to buy a real Christmas tree. But if you had a fake Christmas tree, let me know how many years you've had it. Some of these fake Christmas trees don't come with string lights, like this one. Others do come with lights that change colors, and some do have fake snow. Wow, like that one. And over here, this tree comes with Christmas lights, fake snow, and pine cones. If you want to be on Santa's good list and have him write your name on this, go ahead and give me a like and subscribe so you're on this list and you'll get a lot of presents. If you guys don't subscribe, the Grinch will steal all of your Christmas presents. I just picked out my real Christmas tree. It's 7 feet tall, and now it's time to pay for it.
Okay, your total is $79.48.
I am paying for the Christmas tree.
Here's your receipt.
Thank you. When you buy a Christmas tree, you have to cut a portion so the Christmas tree will drink up all of that water. You can also get netting for it to kind of protect your car when you put this in your trunk. And now it's time to bring this Christmas tree home and start decorating it. Let's go. It's kind of heavy. Look at how beautiful and tall my Christmas tree is. In this huge bin, I have some Christmas decorations like ornaments, a star, a tree skirt, and I already put the base of the tree on the tree. I just finished decorating my Christmas tree. We have the Christmas star, all kinds of ornaments, and a tree skirt. But there's something missing. Oh yeah, the presents. Where do people buy presents for their friends and family? Well, they go to the mall. So let's go to the mall and see what kinds of gifts people buy for their family and their friends. Right now, I'm at the mall. So what do people normally do here for Christmas? Well, you can go shopping, you can eat here, but for Christmas, people come here to buy lots of gifts and presents for their friends and family. Since I'm already here, I'm going to look around all of these stores and find something for my parents. Let's go. Hi, how are you?
Hello there, how are you?
Good. I'm looking for a Christmas present for my dad. What do you recommend?
What we always recommend is we would look at your picture first, and then we can kind of take it and then match it to different sizes and shapes that it would fit. All pictures can be converted into a 3D model, and then we laser it into whatever crystal you like.
I just decided that I'm going to order this. It's a 3D picture, and I'm going to put a picture of my dad and I together. That way he can just cherish it forever and it'll be a great gift for Christmas. Another thing that Americans do during Christmas when they go to the mall is come here with their kids and they take pictures with Santa Claus. So I just bought a beautiful present for my dad, but did you also know here in the United States, we do a secret gift exchange called Secret Santa. This is where you will pick someone's name, maybe your friend's name, in a bucket or in a hat, and they won't know that you're gonna buy a gift for them. So you can buy a personalized present and then they will love it. Talking about Santa and gifts, let's go ahead and meet over 100 Santas in the city. Let's go. Right now, I'm at SantaCon. Look at all of the Santas behind me. And do you like my Santa costume? What is SantaCon? SantaCon is a huge event where people will dress up as Santa, Mrs. Claus, reindeer, elves, etc. And they will go bar hopping, so they will go to different bars and drink with their friends and family. So since I'm here, and there are a bunch of Santas walking around, let's ask some people how they celebrate Christmas. Let's go. Hi, what's your name and what are you dressed up as today?
My name is Chase and I am dressed up as Buddy the Elf.
And what do you do for Christmas? Like, do you have any traditions?
Yeah, we go out to my grandma's and eat dinner, open gifts, spend time with family.
What do you eat for Christmas dinner?
It's basically the same as Thanksgiving. Ham, turkey, maybe not stuffing, but everything else. Macaroni and cheese, rolls, that sort of thing.
Spaghetti with syrup on it. Spaghetti with syrup on it.
Spaghetti with syrup, yeah. The typical Buddy the Elf.
That's interesting.
Spaghetti with syrup, yeah.
What is your favorite gift you've ever received?
I'm kind of a nerd. For all of my Star Wars Lego fans out there, I got a Star Destroyer Lego for Christmas one year.
Hi, what's your name?
My name is Claire Maisie.
What is your favorite Christmas tradition?
I feel like my favorite Christmas tradition is cooking with my family, like specifically like Christmas cookies is a super fun tradition.
And what do you normally cook for Christmas?
We're Italian, so we'll do like the Feast of the Seven Fishes. So a lot of like seafood dishes.
What's your favorite Christmas movie?
I would say my favorite Christmas movie is probably Home Alone.
Mine too.
Well, it's a great one.
Yeah, well, thank you so much. Hi, what's your name? And can you tell me who you're dressed up as today?
Yeah, my name is Gretchen and I'm dressed up as Cindy Lou Hill.
So what do you normally do for Christmas? Do you have any traditions?
So usually on Christmas Eve, we will always go out as a family for a big dinner. And then on Christmas night, me and my whole family, we go to our hometown bar every night and it's a tradition.
Do you guys cook any dinner for Christmas?
We do. We always have a big ham.
What's your favorite present you've ever received or given?
Oh gosh. Actually last year we gave my mom a Dyson and she was all like, I don't think I'm gonna really like it, and then loves it. She talks about it all the time.
Hi, what's your name? And can you tell me what you're doing right now?
My name's Lauren. I am just trying to spread love and encourage affection by hanging mistletoe here at SantaCon.
What's your favorite Christmas tradition?
Every year, my family gets a Yule log cake, and we talk about our ancestors and the people that we love in our lives currently and in the future, like everybody that's going to come after us. And we just sort of spend time talking about them and appreciating them.
What's your favorite Christmas movie?
Probably Christmas Vacation.
Thank you so much. Hi, what's your name? And can you tell me what you're dressed up as today?
My name is Lindsay. I am your Christmas present tree gift.
What do you normally eat for Christmas?
We normally do like a Thanksgiving for Christmas. So it's like the turkey dinner times 2, just a couple weeks after Thanksgiving.
Do you eat Christmas dinner on Christmas Eve or Christmas Day?
Christmas Eve and day. We got mom's side, dad's side, so we're doubling up on the Christmas dinner.
And you might get some leftovers too the next day.
So then it continues 3 times.
What is your favorite Christmas movie?
Probably The Grinch, I would say, yes.
Well, thank you so much.
Thank you.
Hi, what are both of you dressed up as today?
Myself.
We're Mr. and Mrs. Claus. Amazing. What are your favorite Christmas traditions?
Singing Christmas carols.
We love visiting the little children. They're perfect. They're awesome. We
Maybe
love
get down the chimney and not getting burned.
What's your favorite thing to eat during Christmas?
Oh, that's easy. Oatmeal raisin cookies. They're my favorite.
Shortbread cookies.
You can't forget the milk, huh?
Maybe even some coffee because it's going to be a long night.
Hi, what are you guys dressed up as today?
I just am dressed in some PJs. I mean, festive wear.
I'm trying to dress up as Santa.
What are your favorite Christmas traditions?
I like just sitting around with my family and bothering all of them.
Every year, my family makes Buckeyes, so I continue the tradition here. Baking Christmas cookies with my family.
What's the best gift you've ever received?
I'd have to say probably my cat when I was younger.
A Hogwarts Lego castle.
Probably my dog.
What's your favorite Christmas tradition?
Me and my family, like most of my mom's side of the family, come over and we have ham, and it's a bunch of my cousins, and we just like play games and hang out at our house. That's basically it.
I'd have to say the white elephant. I love getting all the secret gifts, and you never know what you're gonna get. If it's funny, serious, or comical, like it's a good time.
What is the white elephant game?
So you just pick a number, and everyone brings a funny gift, and you never know what you're gonna get, and you can swap it or you can keep it, and usually it's a really good time with family.
What's the best gift you've ever received?
The Dyson Airwrap. I love it. I don't really use it a lot, but I love it because it's so bougie, and I'm all for it.
I mean, you can't go wrong with a gift card.
Hey guys, what are you dressed up as for Christmas?
I am the take on the Grinch for a girl.
I'm Jack Frost.
So, what is your favorite Christmas tradition?
Just getting around with the family, having a few drinks, and enjoying the holiday season.
Mine's SantaCon.
What is the best thing to eat for Christmas dinner?
We normally do a ham for Christmas.
Cornbread.
What's your favorite gift to give or receive for Christmas?
Cash money.
My favorite gift is candy canes.
Hey, what are you guys dressed up as for SantaCon?
I'm a reindeer.
I was supposed to be Santa, but everyone asked me if I'm Jack Frost, and I'm Jack Frost tonight.
What's your favorite Christmas tradition?
Probably putting the ornaments on the tree.
My favorite Christmas tradition would definitely be the food.
Talking about food, what do you guys normally eat for Christmas?
Ham, mashed potatoes, stuff like that.
Thanksgiving, like, what is the difference between Thanksgiving and Christmas? I don't know. I mean, maybe a ham, maybe a turkey. It's always the same as Thanksgiving.
What's the best gift you've ever received?
That is so hard. Okay, actually, the best gift I ever received was my 10th birthday. My mom completely redid my entire room for me on her own, painted it, everything, bought all the furniture, and it was just really nice of her to do that. So that was my favorite gift.
My favorite gift is probably a car.
Thank you guys so much. Merry Christmas.
So I just got back from SantaCon and talking about gifts. What is your favorite gift that you've ever received? Personally, my favorite gift or present is you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching me throughout this whole year. And if you guys liked this video, go ahead and give me a like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys next week. Bye!